Next, in our inventory system, we'll go ahead and add a new supply, and we'll set a supply basis. So I'll click Add New, and I'm going to be adding our delivery bags. I'll set a starting quantity of 500 and a price per bag of 25 cents, and click Add Supply. Now we need to let the system know when do we use these delivery bags. So we'll come to Edit Supply Basis and Add Supply Basis. We'll select the delivery bags, and in this case we're going to use a quantity of 1, and we could set a type. So is this based on each item in an order? Are we providing this with each package? Is this coming with the order in general? Or is this part of our prep session? In this case, my delivery bag will apply to my order in general, and then we'll add an item multiplier. What this will do is for every number of items in our type, which is our order, it'll multiply our quantity if it goes over. So to make that easier to understand, if I set my item multiplier to 6 and an order has 7 meals in it, it'll give me 2 bags instead of 1 because we're over the item multiplier amount. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And now I have my delivery bags all set up, and small orders will get 1 bag while larger orders get 2.